So this is the third thing that we're having, or the fourth, or the fifth. I don't really know at this point, and it's called kheer.
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 Yeah, you
Okay.
got it right, man.
Kheer, and I can see just small bit of almond here, and I think there's some peanut. No, not peanut. Pistachio. Yeah,
Pistachio,
just a
yeah.
small bit here, and this is the main kind of where everything is happening. I'm just gonna dig in like that. Hold it there for a sec. It's sticky. Texture is strange, and here it is. Taste test. Again, we're sorry about this.
The best part is it don't fall.
It don't fall, yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Oh, it might, but like, it's still
Yeah.
like in good solid.
Ready?
Sort of.
This is for the first time.
I know you're gonna like it. Not just like this, the ice cream you like, but it still has some quality.
Let me take another bite.
Oh my god, I think we're screwed.
The problem is my mouth is hot from the previous one. Yeah,
okay.
we wanna do it the right way. Like the sweetness is so balanced. And I'm
You
trying.
can say it if you don't like it. You can
No, I actually do like it. I was about to say it's really good. I actually like
Okay,
it.
this one is more. I
If
think,
I don't like it, I
on
wouldn't take a third bite. I would tell you this is all yours.
This one is more like very subtle in taste. Like this have some separate taste of like the mango, and then the other one is more.
There's so
oil
much going on.
and-
Yes.
Yeah, it's quite sober, I would say, but then
Yeah. There's
sweetness is there.
there's so much going on that I can't make up my mind. But do I like it? Yeah, I like it. Like it's not a bad thing. It's definitely not my favorite. The hot one, the warm one, and the ice cream are really my favorite. But this one is like it's you can eat it. It's good, but it's not my favorite because it's really combination of so many things going on here. Like there's a lot of things going
I
on.
think we should start with this, and then
Yeah.
move further.
Yeah.
I think this is the one which we should take it in first.
But
Just to have
it's just the way how it is, man.
Yeah.
No planning, it's fine. It's good. It's good.
Hello. so
Oh, it's so shy. It's so shy. I love it. But anyway, what we did is we did order another thing,
Dessert,
you know,
yeah.
another dessert. And I mean, look at this, man. This is incredible the way how it looks. And there is so much going on. This obviously is ice cream.
Yeah.
You guide us. You guide us through
Mix
it.
of this rubbery. You see this rubbery? It's this white part is this rubbery only.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay,
they mix
so
it like it's the plain boiled noodles, and then rubbery, and then this red syrup, plus ice cream, and this chia seeds on it.
Chia seeds on it. Okay. Well, let's give it a taste test. I'm gonna dig like that out, and there we go. Oh wow, man, that's interesting. Ooh, that's really interesting. Obviously, it's sweet. The texture is there's so much going on in your mouth as well.
It's a mix of many things.
It's a lot of things going on in your mouth, yeah. But it's really good. There's like little crunches you get from the chia seed, but then the flavor is like condensed, you know, milky, sweet. I like it. And it's just the crunches keep going, but it's not like crunchy like you're chewing on like biscuits. No, crunchy is like soft crunches you're getting out of it. Very nice. I like it. Here, one more you can have. And is this noodles?
Yeah. White ball.
So
small pieces of
there
noodles.
are some noodles. So this is like probably some of the crunches that I'm getting as well. And I think this is what's giving it that chewy kind of thing.
Chewy,
you know, that
jelly
you're
kind
getting,
of
yeah.
thing,
But it's amazing. It's really good.